Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. So let's talk about Walt Disney today, okay, and how the technicals look like. We are currently in the weekly chart, and in the weekly chart, we can clearly see there are, that overall the chart says that the stock is in downtrend, right? So these are the critical levels, from where the chart has bounced back, like 84.79, and this is the resistance level that we have seen around 117.94, right, which where we had seen the immediate resistance. And if we go a little further back, we can see after a huge rejection that we had got in March 2020, the stock had actually retraced back quite up and went to 200 level and then came back down to those levels of 2020, right? So from those levels we have seen immediate bounce, right? And we are looking at a higher low formation here. So what do we want when we want a stock to rally? We want to see higher highs and higher lows. So here in this scenario, you can see that in this area, the stock was completely in the downtrend, right? It was operating in the downtrend. However, recently we have seen there has been a slight, bounce from the 2020 lows, and stock has shown up uh, a little upside move, okay, after making a higher low here. Now higher low is not confirmed until this level is crossed, which is 113 levels, right? So until this level is crossed, we cannot say that, or even if you can say that 170 levels needs to be crossed in order to confirm that this is a higher low. But what do we see in the chart currently is what we want to talk about. So I have drawn this, it appears to be working in this particular channel. We see that EMA 200 from the weekly perspective, the price is, trading below it. So means the chances of bearish setups are higher probability than lower, right? However, if you see, the channel is currently operating in this one, and just see the RSI, how the RSI is moving here. So RSI is kind of making higher highs and higher lows, okay? And here there might be a case which may form. Again, this is not confirmed yet. We are just trying to anticipate or trying to see what might be coming up, right? If you see this and this can form an inverse head and shoulders only if there is a breakout, coming from this particular uh, channel, which is this one, right? We definitely want to see the stock, move above this in order to confirm this, because then what will happen, it will reach this level and then we can expect maybe a breakout, okay, on the upside direction. So what do we see from RSI perspective and chart and price perspective? The price is currently in the downtrend channel, and from the RSI perspective we can see that it is in the up channel making higher lows, okay. What do we expect from here? We expect the RSI to keep, in order for price to of or anticipate the price movements upward, we want to continue to see the RSI moving upwards, okay. Let me quickly delete this and let's move to the lower time frames here. So let's go to the daily time frame and see where the how the price is looking. So and let me remove this from the RSI. So yeah, so here we see this level of RSI 61 had acted as a resistance in the past. So we can see the levels, to be respected as well. And the same, if you see here in the on 15th February 2023, the same levels were reached, and then immediately there was a rejection occurred. So at least what we can see here, we can see a little rejection, as soon as after once the price touches the 60 level, I think it has not touched yet. Just let me confirm. Yeah, it did. It just went till 58.85, right? So we may see a rejection, small rejection there, but there was a quite uptrend that we have seen after it has bounced back from this level of around 2020 lows. Okay. Uh, what else do we see? Yeah, we definitely see it is below 200 EMA, so we cannot expect much from Disney chart. Let's go to in the lower time frame, right, and see what it's currently looking forward to do. So here we can quickly see there is an up move occurred which at these levels from 90 to 100. 100 again a psychological number, right? So it might act as resistance. Okay, and here another resistance level will mark something like this, that was in the past as well, which acted as resistance, which kind of coincides with 100 to 102 level, right? So as long as price trades below this, we expect it to remain between 90 to 100 zone. We want to see the price, if we are expecting the price actually to move higher, we want to see the consolidation at a much upper level, which is around 98 to at these levels. Somehow we want to see that price to consolidate. Let's see what happens. But if it needs to be remain bullish in the shorter term, falling below 98, then it will be a case where we may expect the prices to reach 93 levels or even 90. Okay, so as long as price is between 102 and 90, the price is kind of will remain in the lower in the more in the low bearish setup than bullish. But yeah, as soon as if we see that this 100 level becomes a retested support. Okay, why I keep saying 100 levels? Because it's a psychological number. Round numbers, usually the stock retraces and or acts as a resistance as well. So if we can make this as a a retested support, then it can hit the channel upline. Here we can make a case that it may just go and hit this channel towards the upside, making it a short-term bullish scenario. Okay, we can definitely make another channel here. Another channel that this might work is this, right? It might just work that it is also in this channel, and you see this 100 level is going to definitely act as a important level for the near time frame, right? So that's it. That's what we see in the in Disney chart. This 100 level if crossed, we can see the possibility to move little upwards and maybe reach to these levels of 106, which may correspond to the previous the resistance that we had seen here where the market has reached. So we may see the price moving towards that. Another thing that we see here is that from the RSI level, from this levels, yeah, it is continuously showing us the higher high and higher lows. At this area we had seen the RSI to be heated up, right, and then it cooled down, and then the price is giving us a upward move. Let's see how far the price sustains, but these are the important levels that we definitely want to keep an eye on. Okay, so as always said, trading is just these are just possibilities and probabilities that we deal with, right? Whenever you trade safe, and always keep your stop losses accordingly, right, so that they can help you to reduce any additional exposure that you may have. Okay, so overall picture, definitely it's from the larger time frame it's bearish, as it is acting below 200 EMA level. Okay, but still since at a higher level, at the weekly level, we see continuously see the RSI moving upward. So maybe it has to end this channel that is working soon than later. Okay. From the bearish setup, again, if the levels break, as we said, if this channel kind of breaks, then you may expect the prices to retouch the 90 levels, right? And again, if it goes further, then you may see even retouching again the 2020 lows that we had seen. All right, so that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more updates, analysis, do subscribe to our channel, share it with your family and friends, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you guys. Bye bye.